gentlemen, welcome to Johnny's restaurant. I'm a Johnny. Do you know Doenjang? Do you like Doenjang? Wow, what is a Doenjang? It's a Korean traditional soybean paste. Yeah, there's a Doenjang. We call that. Somebody said, yeah, miso soup. No. There's a difference between Japanese and Korean. It's very different. So today we are menu the Doenjang-jjigae. Soybean soup, Doenjang-jjigae. So let's try to make it together. Let's see what we have here. Okay, what we have here, I introduce ingredient. There's a very important one. Homemade doenjang, homemade chili paste, gochujang, and mushroom, steamed mushroom. Yeah, looks like that. Bean sprout mushroom, I'm not sure. And tubu, warm garlic. And onion, this much, not too many. Zucchini, spring onion, not too many. And spicy. Pork slice. Okay, let's try make it. Okay, now we need to cut, slice, everything. First, tube first here. This size depends on your favorites. Okay, everything's done, and pork, garlic, soybean, gochujang, dry anchovy. If you don't have this, doesn't matter. Okay, let's make it. Everything's done. We already prepared everything. Now we need to cook 된장찌개 with me. So please follow me. Now it's cooked there. Okay, now we need to stir fry pork first. Turn on. Because we use the pork belly. And the 1 spoon. 된장, mushroom, bottom one, garlic, spring onion, nice smell. Corn and fruit anchovy, zucchini, onion. Lots of zucchini. 엄마를 고추장 1 teaspoon. half teaspoon more. Because the smell is very good. Very before the add more oil. And the water, or vegetables, essence. Anchovy. Keep aside. The smell is so strong. done. We don't need a big bowl. We need a small pot for one person. See, perfect for one person. Here, and I told you 150 cc more. And put it in here. Let's go. Mushroom. Okay, that's done. Korean traditional has food. Wow, well done. Everything's done. Look at this. Wow, vegetable and nice smell, so creamy and so healthful. Yeah, this is healthful food. You know that. And now that I have to try this. Just wait a minute. And zucchini. Two more deepest one. Of course, creamy pork and first. More. Creamy. A little bit spicy. So, everything's done. Tastes also good, so creamy. I want to try it with rice. Now it's not rice. I blended my Doenjang-jjigae in my room and with rice try again. Very healthful anyway and easy to cook. You can see everything is very quickly done. And I hopefully cook it with your children and share with your neighbor, friends, family, of course. Today's lecture on my cooking list is done. Thank you so much for visiting Johnny's restaurant. And don't forget push the like button and subscription button also. Thank you so much guys. See you again.